Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm just shooting on my phone and this is something new. We are currently in my wardrobe storage. I am very pleased to announce that our garage sale is happening very soon, May 18 and 19 at the Artists and Company Studio, 3rd floor, Avenue Mall, Makati. It's on Waze. We also have a Facebook event page that you can go to. And I'm just so thrilled that it's happening a little earlier this year because, as you will see later, I've accumulated quite a lot since our last garage sale. A lot of these I've already used for photo shoots and actually throughout the year. Like the stuff I'm done using or the things that I think I've already exhausted for photo shoots, I just hang them there so that when the time comes for this garage sale, it's easier for me to decide what to wear. So let me bring you in a little bit more into my wardrobe costume storage place. So let me just show you the things I'm gonna be selling. There are a lot of clothes. So we have lacy things. A lot of people asked for lacy things last year and we ran out really fast. There was this one girl, like she literally scooped like I don't know, like 10 lacy things last year, so I ran out of those quickly. I have a lot of blazers that I don't use anymore or haven't really used for shoots. I have lots of long sleeve tops, some dresses. I have a lot of jeans, just lots and lots of jeans. I'm really narrowing down my jeans collection, and for those who are curious, I wear anywhere from a size 24 to 30, like depending on the fit I want. I just have so much more to sell this year. And I will also actually be selling a few of my vintage dresses, as much as I just want to cling on to them forever. I bought a few of these in New York back in 2015. I always thought that I would get them altered because they were just really too big, but it's been too long and I just haven't had the time to fix them, so I guess selling them would be the best idea, and that way maybe I'll find them better owners and they won't need to be, you know, reworked or resized, and they retain their soul, I guess. And also excuse my very sweaty face, it's really hot. Let me just show you like my collection of white things. I really love white lacy things because I use them a lot for my kind of dainty romantic shoots, and that's some of them. Don't judge. I really use them all, not for myself, but for photo shoots. But yeah, this is what you can expect during the garage sale. You can also expect a lot more sellers this year. So we'll have the usual suspects. We'll have Ryuji and Zhang and Jonard. We're also going to be joined by a few more stylists, and even art directors are joining this year. So there's going to be a good mix of menswear, streetwear, actually lots of streetwear, because I guess half of the sellers are really cool, hip people, and I just have these kind of dainty, fancy, frilly things. So, you know, there's gonna be something for everyone. I'm also gonna have lots of mom jeans. I'm letting go of all my high-waisted shorts because I've finally accepted that I just can't wear shorts. So I'm letting all those go. The prices are very cheap, so normally they start at 25 pesos, and they've gone up to around 4,000 pesos for designer bags. So whatever price range you have in mind, you're probably gonna find something for you. It's family friendly. Sometimes people bring their aunts, their boyfriends, their cousins. It's a nice, wholesome, fun event. But yeah, we're so excited to see everyone again, and we're also excited to meet new people. So please invite your friends, bring lots of change in your eco bags, and lots of patience because you're gonna have so many things to sift through. That's it for now. I'm just gonna go get some water and a fan. I am just boiling in here. I'm gonna get back to fixing my clothes for the garage sale. See you there!